Today I will be reviewing ModelOnes Solid Cream Gel Kit and UV LED lamp for you, so stay tuned and we'll get started. Hey everyone, welcome back. So I first have to start by apologizing to ModelOnes for taking so long to get this review up. I had some issues with my computer and that took time to fix, and I am back now and I'm catching up on reviews, and I will be reviewing these 3 items for you today. So I'll get started on showing you what each one is. So the first one is a solid cream gel set, and it's classified as a gel polish. And on the inside of the box, as you can see, it's telling you how to use it, starting with pushing back the cuticles and buffing the nail, and then removing the dust and applying a base coat, and then 2 coats of, or 1 coat depending on the opaqueness of the color, and then curing that and applying a top coat. So in this kit, as you can see, they sent a beautiful brush. I love this brush. I love how it retracts. It is such a neat little brush to have come with the kit, and as you see me using it, you'll see that it's a really good brush. So I will show you the colors that come in this kit, and of course there's 6 cream gels, and 2 of them are glitter gels and the other are solid cream gels. So I'm going to move it aside and I'll get started by showing you each one. But before I do that, ModelOnes also sent the base and top coat. I love their base and top coat, and they recommend using the base and top coat with their cream gels. So definitely a good purchase. I really find that I have no issues with this and it doesn't chip or peel. So if you're looking for a great set, this is a good one for you guys. And just so you guys all know, I have a ModelOnes 10% off code down in the description, and I'll have the links to all these products below, but use my code in order to get that 10% off. So they also sent a UV LED nail lamp, and it's their brand, ModelOnes, and it comes with the little power cord, and that just plugs into a charger, your phone charger. So that works really well because everybody has a phone charger, so easy to power it up. And it comes with, pardon me, with a user manual. And I'm just going to show you the light here. We're going to open it up and I'll show you exactly what it has on it. And of course, like I said, that has their name on it, and it has a 60-second and 90-second timer on it, which is really nice. And you just open it up like this by pulling the legs, and there's the UV LED lights that work really well with this light, and I will be showing you that later. And as you can see, this is where you plug in the cord to turn it on. I'm just going to unravel the cord so I can plug it in to show you the use of it in this video. Another nice feature about this lamp, you can actually use AAA batteries to power it, so you don't have to have a cord if you don't have a power outlet close by. And it, like I said, it uses AAA batteries, 3 of them, so that's a nice feature to have if you're not near anywhere that you can plug it in. So I'm going to get started on sharing the colors, but I had to show you their inspiration photo from their site of the colors with the cupcakes. Really neat way to share that. So the first color in the set is 001, which is a black. And what I really love about these cream gels, you can definitely use them for artwork. I love the consistency of them. They're actually very thick, but they would be perfect to do art with. So not only do you have that for the color, but you could purchase them and have really great product for doing artwork on your nails. So I'm just showing you the brush and the thickness of the gel. And now, first of all, I'm going to start by applying the base just to show you how they recommend doing it. So I'm going to put the base on the swatch and I'll cure it for 60 seconds, and I'll show you how well the lamp works, and we'll put it under there and turn on that 60-second button to show you. Now I cut this clip short. I'm not going to hold it there for the whole 60 seconds or you'd be waiting forever, but it did go the full 60. So it's now cured, and now I'll be applying that black, and I will do one coat. It ends up covering really nice, very opaque, and then I'll cure it for the 60 seconds. These colors could be cured in a combination light for 30 seconds, so you don't have to leave it in the full 60 seconds if you don't want to, because they will be fully cured. And then I'm going to apply a top coat and cure that for 60 seconds, and then we'll do a scratch test to see if it fully cured all the layers. Okay, now that it's cured, we're going to test it out by scratching it, and if it doesn't move and is fully hardened, then we know, and it is. As you can see, it would pull up a bit if it wasn't cured. So really a great little light to have if you want something more compact and something to take along with you. So now I'm going to share the rest of the colors. This one is 003, and it's a really pretty red. So ahead of time I already applied the base coat, so I'm not going to share that with you again. So I will apply 2 coats of this red and cure each one for 30 seconds and show you how pretty this red is. So the next cream gel is 005, and it's a really nice royal blue. Love this blue. Again, actually I just had to do 1 coat, so I'll do that and cure it, and I'll show you how pretty the color is. So this one is 007, and as you can see, it is a really nice gray. I actually really like this gray. It's not too light, but it's not too dark. Really nice shade of gray. So again, nice and thick. I love how it applies, and it's just going to need 1 coat, very opaque again. So once I get that done, I'll cure it. Now that I shared with you the colors, the solid colors, I'm sharing with you their glitter gels in this set, and I love this one. It's a really nice silver, very fine glitter gel, and it applies so nice. So I'm going to show you how well it applies, and then we'll cure that. So the last one in the set is 012, and it's a really nice gold. The reason I like this gold so much, it's not too yellow. It's kind of that perfect shade of gold, and again applies so nice just because of the thickness, and it's very fine gold glitter. Look how pretty that one is too. Well, I have to say, I love this set. I love their UV LED lamp, works great. I love their base and top coat, as you guys know, and I'll have all those links down in the description. Thank you, ModelOnes, for sending me all these things to share with you. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.